LEVI and LIFT went public recently. In this video, we're going to take a look at the price action of these two stocks since they went public and see what the price action is telling us, get some idea where the price might be headed in the coming days. Let's take a look at LIFT IPO. It went IPO last Friday and it opened at 87.24 and it went up to a high of 88.60. But ever since that opening, it just basically been sold off, and you can see the volume profile. It's just got a little bit of a topping, pinching top here, and it just kind of sold off. And the most of the volume was traded at a price somewhere around 80.70. This is the point of control, and you can see that it's been hovering around between this 80 and the 80.65 area for quite a while. And this is a 3-minute chart here, and you can see that it came down. It chopped around here for a little bit, and then finally broke right near the close and came down and hit the low of 78.03, I believe. Let's go take a closer look here. The low is 78.02. So when close at 78.36, and if those people that bought it at the open and at the close of the first day as a public company, they would have lost 10.18% on this IPO. So the only people that actually in the profit is the guy that probably got the shares at $72 a share. Even that is getting a little bit of touchy area right now. And essentially, I got a little bit of a projection here. First of all, is this balance zone here. And it's basically been trading there for quite a while. And then when it finally broke from the 82.65 to 79.98 or $80 range. And if we do a 1x major move down from this this range here, and that would bring it down to 77.33. And if it go down 2x of this this range, then it will come down to 74.68. Then also the other thing is the extension, basically a symmetry move. This is the range it came down before it kind of settled down, and essentially this is a 100% major move from this pivot bounce here, and that will bring it down to 74.05. So in the coming week, be looking at this $74 area, and I wouldn't be surprised that will come back down and actually tag the IPO price at 72, and might even dip below that before it get a meaningful bounce here back up. LEVI was the other stock that came public recently. It came public about a week ago. And I believe it went public at 22. You can see that after the initial open, it actually came down and tagged that IPO price here at 22. In a couple of days, the first couple of days kind of consolidated and then dipped below the IPO price and went as low as 21.37 before it came back up. And right now, it seems like there's some chaser coming up here at the 23.74 last Friday. You can see how thin that volume is. Seems like there's people just chasing it up. So I wouldn't be surprised to see it come back down to this 23 area, because I'm looking at this zone here and maybe possibly get down in this area. We'll take a look at what the price action is. Maybe that might be a good time to start looking, maybe, but I do believe right now the point of control is somewhere around 22.52. That's the price level where majority, the highest volume been traded there. You see here, this is the point of control. So be looking at this range here, somewhere around 23 and 22 in the coming day, and then see maybe if it come down to 22 and you get a bounce here, then probably that might be a good time to consider going long. And if it come down 23 and then it chop around here, we're going to take a look at it. Just kind of wait and see to see what sort of consolidation pattern it will build up before consider taking a long up here above the point of control here at the 22.52 area. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video and find it informative. And if you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, help me build this channel up by subscribing. Click on the subscribe button on the lower right hand corner. Thank you for watching and good luck on your trading.